Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, May 13th. It's a flex day today, which means today's the day you can use to do any late work that you have. Today's flex day is particularly important because progress reports are going to be issued on Friday. So I need to have all late work turned in today, or it's going to either go into PowerSchool as a 0 or remain as a 0 in PowerSchool. So today you're going to be watching this video. I linked the video in my online classroom. And check out our photo winner from yesterday. Complete the Google form saying that you watched the video, and then hand in all late work here. If it is Caesar the Details, which was due yesterday, you can hand that in underneath yesterday's May 12th tab, but everything else goes in here. It needs to be handed in by 2 today, or I'm not going to put it in for progress reports. Today's fun activity is the same as yesterday. So we'll continue along with our photo contest to put up creative photos in my virtual classroom. So think about what you want to enter into the contest and share that with me. So here is my virtual classroom for today. You can see that it has the agenda. So you're going to be watching the video, filling out the form, doing the late work, and then emailing me with pictures for the contest. And then here is our photo winner from yesterday. So if you win today's photo contest, your photo will be somewhere in my virtual classroom tomorrow. As far as late work goes, if you have any questions on any assignments, either what do you owe or how do you do them or questions, just email me. I can email you the answers back, or we can set up a Zoom and go over the questions that way. All right, so make sure that late work gets in so that I can update those grades. If you are all caught up, then you're just taking a fun picture for today, emailing it to me, and enjoying the rest of your day. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.